Hello, I'm Jeff, and welcome to another episode of the Cloud Institute podcast, where we delve deep into the world of cloud technology. In this episode, we're going to focus on the importance of cloud computing bootcamps for honing this vital tech skill and accelerating your career in today's dynamic digital space. Firstly, let's look at the role that cloud computing bootcamps can play in accelerating your professional journey. Business has been revolutionized by cloud computing, inviting scalable solutions that fuel efficiency, spur innovation, and promote affordability. With the surge in cloud computing adoption, there's increasing demand for experts who can adeptly manage and optimize these oftentimes intricate systems. This is where the magic of cloud computing bootcamps comes in, creating the pathway to mastering these essential cloud skills. Why are bootcamps indispensable, you might ask? The answer lies in their offering of accelerated learning, a curriculum relevant to industry needs, hands-on experience, networking opportunities, and provision of career support. Traditional academic programs may take a while and may not always align with the actual needs of the industry. Bootcamps, however, focus on a concentrated and practical approach that equips learners with in-demand cloud skills in a matter of weeks or months. This approach is perfect for professionals seeking to enhance their skills or pivot to a new career in cloud computing. Our second point of discussion revolves around why cloud computing bootcamps are becoming ever more crucial in the modern era. Developed as an efficient educational model, these bootcamps are especially beneficial in fields like cloud computing, where hands-on skills and current knowledge are paramount. They provide accelerated learning, an industry-aligned curriculum, experiential learning, networking opportunities, and career support. The booming cloud computing industry has a demand for skilled professionals that is outpacing supply, and bootcamps play a critical role in filling this skills gap by producing graduates who are immediately ready to contribute meaningfully to their organizations. A bootcamp can enhance employability, increase earning potential, provide career flexibility, and encourage continuous learning. Thus, bootcamps can significantly impact your career trajectory. Next, we shed light on the influence of cloud computing bootcamps on career growth, with a focus on employability, higher salary potential, career flexibility, and continuous learning. Bootcamps can be your gateway to a promising career. However, selecting the right cloud computing bootcamp is a critical determinant of your future career success. It's crucial to consider factors such as curriculum quality, the expertise of faculty, support services, and alumni success when making your choice. Make sure to find programs that offer deep dives into specific cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Choose a bootcamp led by industry professionals, and opt for programs that provide comprehensive career services. Research the bootcamp's track record through alumni outcomes and reviews. As we come to the end of today's discussion, keep in mind the critical role of cloud computing bootcamps in setting the tech landscape. They provide a practical, efficient, and effective pathway to acquiring the skills necessary to thrive in cloud computing roles. Enrolling in a cloud computing bootcamp is a strategic move that can propel your career skyward. Check out our show notes for links to these bootcamps where you can access excellent training catered to the demands of the current tech industry. We'll wrap up this episode by addressing frequently asked questions about cloud computing bootcamps, like the time it takes to complete a bootcamp, whether these are a worthy investment, whether graduates find jobs shortly after completion, which cloud platforms are covered by these bootcamps, and the potential salary increase after completing a bootcamp. And there you have it. Thank you for tuning into this episode of our Cloud Institute podcast with me, your host, Jeff. Don't forget to check out the show notes for the link to the bootcamp we discussed. If you have any questions or need any clarifications, feel free to send a message via our podcast's chat feature. Until next time, keep learning and pushing your boundaries.